Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of The Flow. Today we'll be discussing our standard OEM product. We're going to be talking about our STH, which is the one that we sell the most here at Fluid Metering. So the main features of this product, basically looking at the stepper motor, the head, and a jack screw design to maintain the repeatability, precision, and accuracy, what makes this pump special. So the problems that this pump helps solve pretty much, if you look at it, when the customers use it, once it's set to a precise dispense volume or metering volume, this pump is going to perform exactly the same over and over the lifetime of the pump. The pump is viscosity independent. As long as you could get it to the inlet of the pump will deliver in a very precise and accurate manner. So, because it's a stepper unit and it has a stepper motor, it needs a stepper controller. The customer could either provide his own stepper controller with his own special customization, or he could buy ours that we could provide to the customer with his requirements. Current product is being used in a lot of medical applications, from diagnostics, analysis, personal treatments on patients. This product is being used. But the good thing about this product, or the advantage of this product, is that it's customizable. You could call in and get tech support and have one of our engineers walk you through the whole process in picking the right solution for your requirements. So this pump is currently being used in a lot of medical and pharmaceutical applications. All those instruments or instrumentations need FDA regulations and certificates as well. So currently we have done some tests in our facility with high purity water in where we've done over 82 million cycles, and the pump still maintains its accuracy, precision, and repeatability. This pump, compared to the competitor's pump, the precision, the accuracy, the repeatability, and also chemical compatibility is beyond any competitor that's out there currently in the market. So currently, we do have ISO 9000, also REACH and RoHS, but we're currently moving into getting ISO 13485 certified. The kind of support that a customer could expect from FMI once he calls is that from the moment he has a need, we could assign an engineer to walk him through choosing the right solution for his application from beginning to the inception of the instrument. And we conduct reliability tests. We give him all the support that the customer will need throughout the whole process of the project. Once again, thank you for joining us today in this edition of The Flow. And we hope that we have been able to show you a little bit more of our product. And we invite you to join us in the next edition of The Flow.